Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Mini Eggs mini cheesecake. As I'm posting this, Easter is actually over for this year, but guess what? Mini eggs are now on clearance, so it's the perfect time to pick some up and make this cute and delicious spring dessert. These are super easy to make, and I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I did a sugar cookie crust for these cheesecake bites, and if you want to get fancy, you can make a sugar cookie dough from scratch, but I took a shortcut and used Pillsbury. I used my hands to warm up the dough and pressed a small amount into the bottoms of 12 silicone baking cups in a cupcake tray. For the cheesecake filling, combine 250 grams of softened cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and mix well with a hand mixer until the ingredients are fully combined. Next, add a cup of mini eggs to a freezer bag and use a rolling pin to crush them into small pieces. Then fold the crushed mini eggs into the cheesecake filling with a spatula. Spoon the filling into the silicone baking cups right over top of the sugar cookie dough. Then give the whole pan a good tap on the counter to release any air bubbles. Bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. They will puff up like a muffin while baking, but they will quickly sink when you remove them from the oven and continue to sink as they cool. Let them cool on the counter and then transfer them into the fridge. For the topping, I made a cream cheese frosting. I started with another 250 grams of softened cream cheese and I beat it with a hand mixer until it was nice and smooth. Then I slowly added half a cup of softened butter by cutting it into small pieces and just mixing it a few pieces at a time until it was all combined. Finally, I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a cup of powdered sugar and combined everything with the hand mixer one last time. The consistency should be nice and thick. Once the cheesecakes have fully cooled, you can remove their silicone cups. As you can see, the middles have sunken in quite a bit, but we're gonna hide that with the frosting. I used a piping tip and a Ziploc bag to decorate each cheesecake. Then I added these micro mini eggs as a topping. Are these not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? They're so tiny. If you're having trouble piping the frosting, you can pop it in the fridge for a few minutes to firm it up, which should make it easier to work with. Once you're done decorating, you can refrigerate the cheesecakes until you're ready to serve them. If you can't find the micro mini eggs, you could totally top these with more of the crushed mini eggs or even a chocolate drizzle or some sprinkles. I hope you give this recipe a try. You will not regret it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later.